Mardani.
I'm Sara Navari.
And I'm Paige.
Welcome to Pre-Film from 501.
Today we hit the streets of our very own PV High
To ask our students how much they really knew about the scientists who contributed to our present-day understanding of the atom.
Now, please enjoy as we take you with us on an enlightening journey. I'm Paige and I'm recording from outside of Sea King Park. I'm going to ask a question. Okay, so how did Democritus contribute to the discovery of the atom?
I do not know.
Not even a guess?
Democritus discovered the atom by splitting a seashell in half over and over again until he was finally left with a particle that he could not split. He called it atomos, which means undivided in Greek.
Hi, I'm Ariana Mardani, outside of the ASB room, here to interview
Kobe Tesfaye.
I have a question for you, Kobe. Which
What's
law
that?
did John Dalton discover?
Dalton's law. Dalton's third law.
Not really. Dalton's law of
Motion.
partial pressure.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
Dalton's law of partial pressure states that in a mixture of gases, the total pressure equals the sum of the individual pressures. Dalton also discovered that the atoms actually can be split.
Hi, my name is Paige. What's your name?
Noah, creative.
What grade are you in?
I'm a senior.
Senior?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to ask you a quick question. Who created the plum pudding model of the atom?
No idea.
Can you give a guess?
No.
It was actually J.J. Thomson.
Okay.
J.J. Thomson proposed the plum pudding model in 1897, which suggested that the atomic structure was made up with a positively charged field with negatively charged electrons.
Hi, I'm here with Danelle, outside of Mr. Kwok's class. I have a quick question for you, Danelle.
Who conducted the gold foil experiment?
Was it Isaac Newton?
No, it's not. It was actually Mr.
Rutherford.
Thank you for your...
In 1908, Ernest Rutherford shot alpha particles through a sheet of gold foil, and he noticed that some of the particles were deflected by a positively charged nucleus in the center of each atom.
Hi, what are your names?
Dylan.
Okay. Do you know who discovered the radioactive elements radium and polonium?
Donald Trump.
Close.
It was actually Mary Curie. Mary Curie discovered the theory of radioactivity, along with the discovery of the two elements polonium and radium, to which later caused her death.
Hi, I'm Ariana Mardani, right outside the water fountains, and I have a quick question for Hannah Hoders. My question to you is, who created the atomic model showing the electrons orbiting around the nucleus of an atom? What? Wait, I don't know. Yeah, it was Niels Bohr. Yikes.
Using Rutherford's discovery of a positively charged nucleus, Niels Bohr created his model of the atom, showing electrons orbiting around a nucleus.
Okay, hi, I'm Ariana Mardani, outside of a classroom, and I'm here with Janessa Groves. Okay, so I have a quick question for you. Which two scientists created the wave mechanical model? Oh, I have no clue.
It was actually Louis Victor de Broglie and Erwin Schrödinger. Broglie and Schrödinger proved Bohr's idea of atoms traveling around the nucleus in orbits wrong. They used math to prove that electrons have wave-like properties and that they exist in orbitals rather than orbit.
Hi, I'm Ariana Mardani, outside of Mr. Kwok's class. May you guys introduce yourself? Lola Torres, Jessica Gonzalez,
Paige Connolly.
Gabby Ruby. Okay, and I have a quick question for you. Who discovered the quantum theory?
Niels Bohr.
No, Max Planck. Max Planck.
In 1905, Max Planck discovered that radiation is quantized in the same way that energy is.
Hi, we're outside Mr. Kwok's room with our new student from Chadwick, Justin. So Justin, who discovered the existence of neutrons?
James Chadwick.
Correct.
James Chadwick conducted an experiment in which he bombarded a beryllium atom with alpha particles. And by studying the radiation emitted by the atom, he proposed the existence of neutral particles.
Go!
Hi, I'm Paige. I was in AOYS as well. You know what? Everybody gets to know.
We're doing Farley, we'll ask you a question. Okay. It's fun!
Hi, I'm Joshua Zeitlin. And these people are really loud up in the library, and I'm trying to do some work. Vlogmas Day 62.
Young man, there's no need to feel down. I said, young man, pick yourself up.